kitchens, backsplashes typically have a lot of electrical outlets going on. You want to have plenty of places to be able to plug in. You need switches for lights. You typically need a switch for a garbage disposal. So one of the ways to minimize the amount of outlets and potentially even eliminate them is we have a couple of tricks that we use. One thing is using an air switch for the garbage disposal. So it's a little plunger switch. You press down on it, turns on the garbage disposal, and it's a real nice, clean way to handle that.
And the super cool under cabinet light/plug strip combinations. And then, as you can see, the upper cabinets are built with the bottom recessed to hide this light. Even though the light is nice to look at, it's an attractive fixture. When you're standing or you're working in the kitchen, you don't want to see where that light is coming from.